Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning and if you're new, hey there, hey. I need you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notifications bell, and comment and share. I think I said comment already, okay? So this video is all about my BOXYCHARM box that I received, and I always do a look with my BOXYCHARM products incorporated in, and this is what we got today. Okay, I actually like this one. So the theme for this, did you hear that? The theme for this BOXYCHARM box is totally BOXYCHARM. So we're gonna hop right into the video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. So we're going to go in to our box. So this is the totally BOXYCHARM box. That is the thing. Totally. I keep saying it like totally, like clueless. Not sure if that's what they mean, but yeah. This is the Wander Go Ahead Illuminating Oil. Excuse me. So I'm just going to use it. I got hair all over me. I'm just going to use it all over my face. I'm going to rub it in. It actually smells kind of good. So this is from Beaute. This is Huckleberry. This is French Vanilla. And this is retail at $25, so not a bad price. So I'm gonna use Huckleberry now, and it's gonna be in the center of my Okay, so now I'm going to go on with the vanilla one, and I'm just going to place a little bit of this in my inner corner just to pop my eyes a little bit more. I love that inner corner, that's cute. Okay, so now we're going to go into face. Okay y'all, so this next product, I ain't gonna hold you. I am very nervous to use. I have the BECCA Hydra-Mist Refresh Powder. And this retails for $39. So I swatched it. When you open it, it says keep me closed to keep me cool. So this motherfucker wet, B. Excuse my language, but it's wet, and this is how it looks. If y'all only knew how clumsy I was. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use it on my highlight because it's a little lighter. It's on the sponge there, and it goes on very cold. It goes on very cold. Oh wow. And don't press too hard in this, y'all, because I just got way too much product and it's going all over the place. Okay, so the next thing on the list is the Big Ego from Tarte mascara, and this retails at a whopping $23. Before we go in with that, I'm going to do my under eye. Okay, under eye is done, so we're gonna use this Big Ego from Tarte. I'm done. I'm just done. I'm just done. Okay guys, I'm going to go put on my lashes after using my Steve Laurant pencil from my BOXYCHARM box and my holographic, why can't I speak English? My holographic appeal lip gloss. So I'm gonna go do my lashes and I'll come back with the final look. And we are back with the final look.